everybody! Time for my next puzzle I want to show you. So today I will show you this one. That one is called Donuts. And hey, who would have thought there are donuts on there? A lot of donuts with a lot of different frostings and glazes and sprinkles. And although I love donuts, I prefer them with less on them. So just like a glaze, or maybe we've got some here, they are just sugared. Or chocolate. But I think I'm not into all those too sprinkly. I don't like the crunch of sprinkles that much. So yeah, if you like donuts, tell me which one do you like best? Because I think there are a lot of different tastes for donuts. And yeah, donuts. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, I've done it. Oh, that was quick, that was fun. And we've got purple donuts, yellow donuts, blue donuts, green donuts, chocolate donuts, pink donuts, sprinkled donuts, marshmallow donuts, brown donuts. Donuts. Okay, you guys, we'll see us next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.